everybody, Transportation UK here, and welcome to a new video. We haven't done a train spotting video in a long while, so I thought I might start doing them. I'm having a rest from the bus ride video series until the bus running day at Eastwood in Rotherham later this month in July. So we'll start train spotting again, starting with Meadowhall. Today at Meadowhall we're going to be seeing services by Northern, Transpennine Express and through services by Cross Country. There'll be a delayed Transpennine Express class 185 showing up later with the delayed 12:17 service to Cleethorpes from Liverpool. And right now there's a cross country service about to come past with a service to Edinburgh. Let's see what shall turn up today. Now passing through is a cross country service from Plymouth to Edinburgh. (220,029) with its next stop of Wakefield Westgate. The train now arriving on platform 2 is the heavily delayed 12:17 Transpennine Express service from Liverpool Lime Street to Cleethorpes, calling at Doncaster, Scunthorpe, Barnetby, Heyborough, Grimsby Town and Cleethorpes, formed of a single class 185 to zero. Yeah. (185,107). Now arriving on platform 1 is the 12:39 Northern service from Scarborough to Sheffield. 170,461. The next train to arrive at platform 4 is 150004 on the 12:41 Northern service from Sheffield to Huddersfield via Barnsley, calling at Chapeltown, Elsecar, Woolwell, Barnsley, Dodworth, Silkstone Common, Penistone, Denbydale, Shepley, Stocksmoor, Brockhalls, Hornley, Berry Brow, Lockwood and Huddersfield. This is one of the ex-GWR class 150-0 prototype units. The train now departing from platform 3 is a northern service from Leeds to Sheffield. This is the local Leeds service via Barnsley, formed over class 150. 150273. Train now arriving on platform 4 is the 1251 Northern Leeds Express service to Leeds from Nottingham, calling at Barnsley, Wakefield, Kirkgate and Leeds, formed of a class 195 city unit. And just about to pass by on platform 1 is a 221121 on a cross-country service from Edinburgh to Plymouth. It would have started at Glasgow Central, but they had trouble with train crew, finding train crew. Now arriving is a northern service from Leeds to Sheffield. This is the local service that went via Bolton-on-Dearn, formed of 150001. Train now departing is 159001 with a northern service from Leeds to Nottingham. The 1257 service, calling at Sheffield, Dronfield, Chesterfield, Alfreton, Langley Mill, Ilkeston and Nottingham. Since it's going to rain, I'm going to wrap this up in about 5 minutes. Now arriving at platform 2 is the 1203 Northern service from Sheffield to Scarborough. And arriving on platform 1 is the 1302 Northern Transport and Express service from Cleethorpes to Liverpool Lime Street. It is 170601, 170461 again. Get my words jumbled up here. One 135 133. And that will be it for today. It is starting to rain. There's a thunderstorm coming, so I'm going to get out of the rain shortly. Thank you all very much for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed. Please like, share and subscribe for more. I don't know what my next train spotting video is going to be. Somewhere in Sheffield, either Sheffield or Dore Totley. Probably Sheffield. Might as well do it in the main station itself. I'll do that next Monday, so subscribe for that, turn on notifications. So yes, I shall see you all in the next video next week. Goodbye, my friends.